Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You've confirmed signal and service. Now start the call. Open the phone app and quickly decide. Contacts if you know the name, keypad for a new number, recents to redial. Tap the contact or type the digits and press the green call button. Once the call connects, watch the status at the top and use the speaker or mute buttons as needed. This gets you into an active voice session immediately while preserving caller ID and cellular routing. Once on the line, manage your audio. Tap the audio button to choose the iPhone earpiece, speaker, or a paired Bluetooth headset. Use mute to silence your mic while still listening. Use keypad for automated prompts and add call to dial another number. To merge calls and create a simple conference, press merge after the second call connects. If you need to consult a contact, tap Contacts. To swap between calls, press Swap. These controls let you execute. To finish, tap the red end button and confirm the call shows and recents. If audio is weak or one side is inaudible, first switch to speaker, then try a paired Bluetooth headset. Make sure Do Not Disturb is off. If calls keep dropping or you can't dial, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds, then retry. As a last resort, restart the iPhone or reset network settings to restore cellular profiles. This usually fixes stubborn registration or routing faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.